there, tech lovers. Ever face the awkward moment when you share a link that's longer than a Monday? Yep, we've all been there. But guess what? There's a game changer in town, and it's time to kiss those super long, unattractive URLs goodbye. Today, we're going extra into Switchy's world and its incredible lifetime deal. What is Switchy? Imagine a tool that turns your long, boring URLs into cool, short, and enticing links. It's like having a mini makeover for your URLs. Switchy does more than merely shorten your links. To make sure you get the clicks you deserve, it jazzes them up with bespoke looks, retargeting pixels, UTMs, and a variety of other amazing features. Trust me, once you start using Switchy, you'll feel like a digital wizard turning boring old links into dazzling gems. Extra benefit from AppSumo lifetime deal. The official price is a whopping $2,400, but hold on to your hats because AppSumo is giving you a golden ticket at just $39. And this isn't some subscription nonsense, it's a one-time payment! Let's break down what's in store. License Tier 1, for a mere $39, originally $2,400, you're getting 30,000 clicks month, 8 custom domains, unlimited link magic, and a lot more! License Tier 2, shelling out $78, you're looking at 60,000 clicks month, 16 custom domains, more unlimited goodness. And the list goes on! License Tier 3, and for the ultimate hustlers at $117, 90,000 clicks month, 24 custom domains, endless customization. The digital kitchen sink. Why choose Switchy the MVP? Link customization. Switchy turns mundane URLs into engaging, eye-catching assets. Retarget like a boss. Utilize retargeting pixels to reconnect with your audience effectively and boost your online engagement. Deep links. Deep linking allows you to guide your audience with precision, taking them where you want them to be effortlessly. Branded smart pages. Create branded smart pages that make your online presence shine, leaving a lasting impression on your audience. A/B testing. Experimentation is key to success. Switchy empowers you to conduct A/B tests, helping you refine your online strategies and enhance your results. Detailed metrics. Gain insights into your link performance, just as you would with a trusted friend. Who needs Switchy in their life? Budding bloggers, share your content with flair. Marketing maestros maximize every click. E-commerce enthusiasts drive users right where you want. Agency aces deliver value like never before. Social media sultans make every share count. If you see yourself in this list, jump aboard the Switchy train. Bonus savings, 10% extra off from AppSumo. Eyeballing the Switchy lifetime deal on AppSumo, are ya? Hold on to your hats because I've got a sizzling scoop for you. Hot 10% off alert. Pinch yourself because this ain't a dream. On top of that juicy $39 offer, there's a secret sauce to save an extra 10%. That's a double dip in discounts. Here's the secret recipe to seize the deal. Take advantage of an additional 10% off the Switchy lifetime deal. Visit the Switchy lifetime deal page on AppSumo right away. Look for that creative pop-up bar. Enter your reliable email. Keep sending the same email. Check your mailbox for the valuable 10% off coupon. Real talk reviews. Now, I ain't just whistling Dixie. Let's check out what actual users are saying. Let's show real review. Still on the fence? Don't be that person who misses out on greatness. Use Switchy to access the link transformation magic. Check out the description, learn about its magic, then execute that clever maneuver. And hey, if you love this techie lowdown, smash that like button, share the love, and subscribe for more juicy deals.